Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech command prompt video. This next command is really a very simple command. It's not used very often. Most programs today understand the different drive letters and paths and such, but you may run into a program now and then that either is awkward in changing from one drive to another, from changing directories, so you need to substitute, or you need to pretend, so to speak, that a folder is actually a drive letter, and that's the substitute command. And if we use the /?, we can see there's not a lot of options here. You give the drive letter that you want to use, then the drive and path that you want to substitute for it. And if you want to get rid of a substituted drive, you've got a /D option. So if I were to do substitute, and I was to say M, because I don't have an M drive, M:, and say that that is actually G:/DOS commands. Now I've got a prompt again. If I do a directory of M, I will see that this is actually that G directory that I'm currently in. They're the same. So any programs right now that we're running would, if I told it to use the M drive, they would actually be using this G:/DOS commands drive. And if I want to get rid of it, just use the /D option. Now if I try to do a directory of M, it can't find it. You probably will rarely, if ever today, need to use the substitute command, but in case you do, it is still available. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.